This is a simple and fast review of the VBGK 1800 watt single burner portable induction cooktop. We're going to open it up, show you what it looks like, test it out, and of course let you know whether or not it's worth buying. So as we get this out of its box, fun little magnet, some instructions, details. And as you can see, a nice little extension here with the cord. Apologize for the reflection here, but you're going to have a lock, timer, up and down function, and your on-off button. There is a warning reminder, kind of some operating steps. You'll have hot pot, fry, barbecue, soup, warm, porridge, and water. I'm just going to simply demonstrate kind of the water capabilities here. The instruction manual will kind of walk you through all this stuff on how to kind of move through things, safety risks, all that stuff, faults and the like. So we're going to just go ahead and get it plugged in. I will turn it just so that we can kind of make sure that we're plugged in easily here. All right, so for our purposes, we're going to boil some water. I'm just going to put this on. I'm going to go through my functions and let this run here. This was cold water, just so you know. And we'll go ahead and let it run here. I may speed up the camera, but I may just kind of let it run on its natural time. All right, so it's been what I'll guess is about 4 minutes. I'll check the exact time on this and update the video with the exact amount of time that's going on. Note that it's around this is not warm at all. It is in a full bubble at this point, so very fast boiling, which is great. Really great because this is most importantly a very portable kind of capability here. As soon as I turn it off, you can kind of tell that it's gone. Mild heat. It is a little warm. I don't advise but it's not anywhere near as scorching as like a regular pot would be. So it really does a fantastic job, and as you can see, it's just like, it's back to normal already. So it is hot. It does have an automatic 20-minute timer. It will let you know that it's still warm until it's not. So sorry, I'm not showing that. So down here, you'll see that it says hot. We do have a 20-minute timer that it auto shuts off if it's running, but this is fantastic. It will remain hot and continue to tell you that it's hot. But I'm very, very impressed with the speed of this, and definitely worth buying to me. Great for transportation, packing for road trips, stuff like that. Anywhere where you maybe have the ability to kind of plug in and utilize. So definitely worth buying. Hopefully this review helped, and thanks for watching.